Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install app that allows you to create or extract RAR and ZIP archives on OnePlus Nord CE free Lite. And to do this we'll need to open our Google Play Store, and I should have it somewhere around here. Then in the search enter RAR, it's RAR. Select this app and install it. When it's ready, click on the open. Here allow to access and manage all files. Go back, allow to send notifications and dismiss this one. From there the app should be ready. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.